Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with Doodlebug's Christmas Town collection. This is a bundle available at polkadotmailbox.com, which is based in Canada, and it comes with a paper pad, odds and ends, Chit Chat, Doodle-Pops, ribbon, and sequins. So here I am being inspired by a fellow YouTuber and a fellow Canadian. Her name is Serena Bee, and I will link all of her information down below. So initially I watched a tutorial on how she made this really cute and quick little pocket project, and I thought it looked like a fun idea at the time, and I had it in the back of my mind that I would probably give that a try one day, until she posted a second video where she was challenged to create one of these projects in 15 minutes or less. And it was really amusing to watch her get all stressed out. I remember thinking to myself, like, crafting can't possibly be that stressful, but it really would be a challenge to create one of these in 15 minutes. This one took me half an hour, and it was the first time that I had done this project. In future, I definitely would do it a little bit different. I'm going to be attaching a ribbon. Next time I would leave myself a little more room so I could make a bow with my ribbon and make that a little bit longer. But overall, I was really happy with how it came together. It was a really simple, easy tutorial to follow, and you can take a look at her channel. She has a lot of great inspiring work, and this was one of the fun projects. She made her little pocket project with the Merry Days collection, and that's just another gorgeous number of products to work with. So the idea I had for this, that is a fun little play on words, as I was thinking that these would make great tea-cher gifts, and you could put little pockets of tea in each of the, little envelopes of tea in each of the pockets. And my daughter had wanted to make cards for each of her teachers, and she's in middle school, so they actually have quite a few teachers at her school that she wants to give gifts to. So this is a perfect little thing that she could make, and you could have a little production line going where you do up a bunch of the little pocket projects and then just give them to her to decorate. So I think we'll give that a try. And I had a lot of fun putting this together as a sample to show her what we could create. I'll go out and find some really fun packets of tea that come in beautiful colors and beautiful flavors that I think that the teachers would enjoy. So I will let you watch the rest of the video. Thanks so much for coming by my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe, and you can watch future videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Also, be sure to stop by and check out Serena Bee's channel. She has a fantastic number of inspiring videos. You can see the specific tutorial that she gives on how to make this exact project. She also has an Instagram account with beautiful images and projects that she works on. It's always great to support and promote fellow Canadian crafters. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.